here's some help for a few of the problems on 45, 45, 90 practice. This is day 2. So review here. Remember that 45, 45, 90 triangles are a specific type of right triangle. They are an isosceles right triangle because they have 2 congruent angles and 2 congruent sides. And the relationship then between the sides and the hypotenuse in a 45, 45, 90 triangle is that the legs are congruent to each other. So usually the 2 shorter sides are congruent to each other, and then the hypotenuse, that side directly across from the 90-degree angle, is equal to the length of a leg times root 2. So looking at number 1, this is a pretty easy one. If I know that a leg is 5, I also know that this other leg is 5. And then remember the hypotenuse, I'm going to shorten that as hypotenuse, or HYP. Hypotenuse equals a leg times root 2. So in this case, x equals a leg, which is 5, times the root of 2. So my final answer for x is 5 root 2, and then my final answer for y is 5. Don't forget that for all of these problems, you should have 2 final answers because you're usually looking for a leg and a hypotenuse, or the length of 2 of the legs, which we'll do in a little bit.